Hey, what's up, Travis? It's Devin again. Thanks for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Hardesty Roofing. Because if you type in Roofing Midlothian, these guys show up right at the top under these directories, and 200 people search that exact keyword every month. So it's pretty easy to get there. I'm going to show you how to beat them. Now you're probably asking yourself, Devin, why would you even make this video for me? And it's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers out there that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, lots of people take this information and do it themselves. Some people call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. And if you have any questions about video work, ask me afterwards, as video is one of my favorite hobbies. But first off, whoever did your website did a great job. I was actually looking through it. I was looking at the guy who designed it because I'm so impressed by this site. It's a super nice site. Green is my favorite color, and I don't see green used very often, but it's used in such a nice way. It's like modern and unique and very clean. It's just a beautiful website for sure. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is all of this content that you can read. The average website on the front page of Google has right around 1,500 words. Also, keep in mind, I know that this main page is ranking for Waxahachie, and I put Roofing Midlothian. That is something to keep in mind. Is you have the service pages here, but you can create a location page that looks exactly like this home page, but instead of focusing on Waxahachie, you focus on Midlothian and just change it up a bit to make it match Midlothian, and you can rank the same way you rank in Waxahachie for Midlothian. Here nor there, though, you want to have at least 1,500 words of content, and you currently have on this main page right at that point. So you're doing a great job. By duplicating this front page, you're gonna have a good time when it comes to ranking for Midlothian. You also want to put in keywords like Roofing Midlothian. So I found some keywords for you. Actually, this is based off of your own website and where you're positioned right now. So you're currently ranking for Midlothian Roofing. You're just on the 7th page. Same with Roofing Midlothian. You're on the end of the 2nd page. Roofing Contractor Midlothian, you're on the 4th page. So you can see none of these are on the 1st page. But by putting these keywords inside of your content, you're going to be able to rank for those. Now, again, I know you wouldn't see it on this page, but on your Midlothian page, make sure you do that. All right, so that's my first tip for you. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind, though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot more power having other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to use it. If you Google backlink checker, you can see all this information for free. It says you currently have 44 websites linking to, which is a great start. If you look at Hardesty Roofing, they only have 43 websites linking to them. If I were in your shoes, what I would do is I would just copy them, because if these 43 websites are good enough to rank them for Roofing Midlothian, then they're going to be good enough to rank you for that same keyword as well. So just like they did, I would go one by one to each of these websites and put a link on each website back to my own homepage. And a lot of times it's really simple. Like, for example, Yellow Pages here. You create a free account, you put a link on that account back to your homepage, and that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's really simple to do. It just takes some time. But if you beat them in content plus you copy them in backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked right here organically and start getting all the free business that comes with being there. I've got one more tip for you, though. That's how to show up right here in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory. A directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Angie, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, Travis, I'd figure out what directories Eastman Roofing and Waterproofing was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. So if Eastman Roofing was in like 150 directories, I put myself in at least 300. But that's all I've got for you, Travis. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it as short and to the point for you as possible. As a quick recap, you want at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage on your Roofing Waxahachie page with keywords in there. Feel free to pause this video and just write these down so you can use them inside of your content. Then you're going to want to take the websites that are linking to Hardesty Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Eastman Roofing. And Travis, if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google and start getting all the free business that comes with being there. So you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. The sooner you get started, the less catching up you have to do because your competitors are currently doing this. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. I'd also love to talk to you about video work if you still want to get that done. Either way, it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Travis. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you have an awesome week. I'll see you.